The new lineup comprised of the Moto G6, Moto G6 Plus, and Moto G6 Play are the latest in Lenovo's typically low-cost, high-performance series. Before starting the video, there is good news for viewers. There is a giveaway of Moto G6 series. Watch till end. The 2018 editions of the Moto G range have embraced the 18:9 display format trending in the mobile industry, with both Moto G6 and G6 Plus sporting 2160x1080 resolution, Full HD Plus screens, while the G6 Play display comes in at 1440x720 pixels. Other modern design features have been left by the wayside, however, meaning the headphone jack is still in place, and there's no display notch. The G6 and G6 Plus share similar battery capacities and camera setups, so you'll be paying a premium largely for the Plus model's increased performance. The G6 Plus comes with a Snapdragon 630 chipset, either 4 or 6 GB of RAM, and either 64 or 128 GB of storage. The regular G6 comes with a Snapdragon 450 SoC, 3 or 4 GB of RAM, and either 32 or 64 GB of storage. On the camera front, the G6 and G6 Plus sport dual 12 and 5 MP cameras on the back, with an 8 MP shooter up front. If standby time is your main concern, then the G6 Play might be the way to go, as it packs a 4000 mAh capacity battery. Motorola says it'll last up to 36 hours on a single charge. This is the least powerful device of the bunch though. It sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 427 processor, either 2 or 3 GB of RAM, and has 16 or 32 GB of onboard storage. All three devices have a water-resistant nano coating, but no official IP rating. They also come with micro SD card support for up to 128 GB. They're all dual SIM phones, and they're all launching with Android 8.0 Oreo. The standard G6 will go for $249, and the G6 Play will launch for $199 in the US. The G6 Plus will go on sale for €299, $370 USD. For participate in giveaway down below on comment section.